I was hunted like an animal. Little did I know, that's exactly what they intended to turn me into. After the transformation, my brother, the poison master. Where's my brother?
You'll see him sooner than you think.